that when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung, wanna pull up tough, cause you notice that butt was stuffed deep in the jeans she's wearing. I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. My homeboy tried to warn me, but that butt you got made me so hard.
Although it was from a lady cat, yet funniest extra everyone we meet. Hey, with the monkeys, keep sailing monkey around. We're too busy singing to put anybody down. Welcome to the jungle, take it every day. If you want it, you're gonna bleed, but it's a price to pay. You're a very sexy guy, very hard to please. You can taste the fried rice, but you won't get a meal for free in the jungle. Welcome to the jungle, yeah. Feel my mind, you know what I mean. I wanna hear you scream.
Just follow these steps. 1,
Cut a hole in a box,
2,
put your junk in that box,
3.
make 'em open the box.